today we're gonna go ahead and install vz102537 full carbon fiber diffuser on the Challenger SXT Hellcat GT-RT Demon exclusive, wide body from vicrez with quad tips. We're gonna take off the exhaustives. We already loosen them up. So we took off the black tabs that we have inside for the support, and then the two nuts that hold the rear bumper so you can have it flimsy. Then you just could go ahead and start pulling it off, the diffuser. So you have to disconnect the sensors while you're taking off the rear diffuser from the car. You're gonna pull this red tab and then you're gonna press in the middle to wiggle it out from here. And then you could heat this up to remove it and then attach it to your new diffuser. You always want to test fit your parts in case, any fitment issue. So that the carbon fiber diffuser already has indentions where the sensors would be at, and then you'll drill in the holes, and then we'll go ahead and glue the sensor tabs into here, and then we could go ahead and install it back into the bumper. And then you have to do the holes for the reflector lights, so we could snap it in there, and then it could fully go on. Yeah, we're heating it up to take off the sensors. So we use a flathead and you start removing it, it starts like melting off.
And you want to continue the process for the next 3 sensors?
So you want to put masking tape over the hole that you're gonna make, or the indentation, to put the sensors. If you don't want to put the sensors, then you don't have to. To protect the carbon fiber from the drilling so you don't distort the resin around it. So we learned that this is a stand-up drill bit. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments, I don't know. Now we're gonna do the rest of the holes before we do the rest of the part, but that's how it looks. So now that you're done doing the holes, your diffuser is going to look like this, and then you could go ahead and glue them back on there. In this case, we're going to use the auto repair kit from vicrez, which would be the VZR101-50ML, which would be that one right there. You get the VZ10106, which would be the full kit with the gun and the product itself. So in order to protect the carbon fiber, you could use some Vaseline oil or some masking tape. In this case, we'll go ahead and cover the hole where we're gonna put the sensor in. When we apply the sensor with the material, it does not go over the masking tape going onto the carbon fiber and ruining the resin on there. So now we're gonna put it facing up so that when we put the sensors in with the material, it does not sink through. And then you probably want to go ahead and heat up the sensors because right now they are molded, bended like this. So if you do heat it up and you bend it back, it's gonna go back to form.
So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the auto body repair kit from vicrez. I'm gonna put it in this little cup, squeeze it all into there. And it is gonna come out more liquidy than what you would expect it. So get it all into the cup, every last drop that you can get. So as you see at the end of it, it doesn't come out fully mixed. So you're gonna get popsicle stick. Just go ahead and mix it manually. And as you can see too already, that it is actually already starting to dry up. So that's how good the material it is, that it's able to dry up faster instead of you have to wait longer. It's like crazy glue. And put a little bit on each corner of the sensors.
I'm adding masking tape to the other indentions right here in the bottom, which go attached to the bottom frame of the rear bumper, or where the rear diffuser usually goes located at, with the black tabs. So you see right here, you have the indentation. So we're just gonna cover that. Let's make the hole. Moment of truth, we're gonna see how our sensors look. So now we're gonna have to do these indentions so we could put our reflectors in there. Again, if you don't want to use them, you want to put stickers, it works. So the same thing that we did on all the other holes, we put some masking tape. We're gonna drill into the section where we need to do the hole. So now that you're done putting all the sensors, the reflectors, doing all your holes, you could put it onto the rear bumper here. So you always want to start in the middle. You want to be a little bit gentle. We're putting the sensors in. You want to push the diffuser in. You want to make sure you press the red tabs inside so to lock the sensor in place. All right, so in order to get the sides in, you're gonna need more help to push the bumper from inside out, and then you pushing inside to put all the tabs in. You could do that more easier if you do take off the whole rear bumper, because right now it is like on its full shape. So if you take it off, it'll be easier because it'll be less compressed, and then you could put everything in by yourself. So on this side, it has like a little tab that needs to go after the bumper, and then that basically seals it in. So you're gonna make these holes, and once you make these holes, you could put the liner back on and then put the tabs in, and then it'll secure the diffuser to the rest of the car. So that's a wrap on the install of vz102537. The install was pretty easy. It took about 30 minutes, I would say, or probably a little bit longer for the video. But if you do have your friends or your body shop working on it, it should be, less than 30 minutes. We did finalize it with the carbon fiber exhaust tips. I don't know the part number, but it'll be in the link below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave comments below. Follow our Facebook groups, Instagram. Let us know what you think.